There isn't an exercise file to go along with this video, so just watch. I want to answer a question about picking left or right when we're dealing with joins. How do you know if you need a left outer join versus a right outer join? The answer is, it depends on how you put the data into the interface. Here's a simple example. We've got Karen's favorite colors and Lynn's favorite colors. They both like candy apple red, but indigo is only on Karen's list. Grapefruit pink is on Lynn's list. What we want to know, which colors are on Lynn's list that are not also on Karen's list? So right now, we should know that we need an anti-join. Right or left anti-join, which one? We don't know. We get to choose. Let's do it. And notice that I already have my queries set up, my Karen query and my Lynn query. So get data, combine queries, merge. Let's put Lynn on top and then Karen on the bottom. Got to match these columns. With Lynn on the top, that's our left side. So we need to do a left anti-join. Left anti-join. Okay. There are Lynn's favorite colors. Now, when we expand Karen's column, there should be nothing there because we're doing an anti-join. Expand. Okay. There is nothing. So these are the 9 colors that Lynn likes that are not also on Karen's list. Notice Lynn is in the left column, but on the worksheet, she's on the right side. That did not matter. We put Lynn on the top, which made her the left side, and that's what dictated that we used a left anti-join.